Hi there guys and girls, good evening. So finally, I already have my Atmos ticket for tomorrow. I changed my mind for me to enjoy much more of this movie on a Atmos format. You know what, when you say Atmos, it's more than a fantastic, better than the digital surround, than the regular type of cinema. And then you will hear all the single chirps, single sounds, every detail of what is happening around the movie, the entire movie. So times 10 the chill factor, the screaming factor. Okay, let's not hold it back. What I really know about this movie, my predictions and my what's this my prediction, what I know the story all about is this is a kind of a mix combinations of Village of the Damned, do you see it, and a combination of Smile, and a combination of Sinister. See that? So I also know that based on what I have read and see on the article, that the children of a certain classroom disappears one night and they didn't come back, something to that effect. So maybe they are being possessed by a demonic one or a sinister image or whatever kind of cult, and they are being what's this what's that, I'm the one with hypnotized, and or they got being pressured to do something bad, and that will be that remains to be seen, guys and girls. So I'm gonna find it now. I'm gonna find it tomorrow, even though I'm very eager to watch for this. I made this early reviews for me not to be harassed for tomorrow and to be relaxed once I get there early as 8:45. But for now, guys and girls, thank you.